everyone. Today we will be learning about indices. This is one of my favorite topics in math. You can ask for any confusion in comment or in Instagram. Let's get started. Okay. There are a few things we need to remember. In this case, let's say m into n. This if I have written, then a is base. M and n are called power. Okay. So when I write this way, this means these two are power. We call them power. This is base. So this is the one thing you need to remember. Now let's start with the formula. Always remember, indices formula is used in almost all the chapters of math. So in this video we learn about the formula and related examples only, and after that we learn about different questions in different coming videos. Let's get started. First formula is a power m into a power n, which is equal, if this is multiply here, then we'll write, you should remember this is the base, right? In this case the base is same. You always need to have the base same for this formula. Okay, in this case m plus n. If it is multiply here, then we'll write plus here. Okay, 2 power 3 into 2 power 7 is equal to, the base is same, so it's 2. 3 plus 7 equal to 2 power 10, which is equal to 1024. Next example is, next formula, am divide a power n is equal to a power m divided by a power n. This is similar, right? If we write divide this way or this way. If divide is there, then we write a m minus n. In similar case, if we write 2 power 5 divide 2 power 2, then it's 2 power 5 minus 2 power 3 is equal to 8. This is second formula. Let's go to third formula. A power m whole bracket n. This is the condition in which base has some power and which has again one power. In this case, what we will write, a m into n. Let's see an example. 2 3 power 3. In this case, what we will write, 2 power 9, which is equal to 512. Third example is a power 1. If anything, the base power is 1, then it's always the same as base. This is 1. If you write 2 power 1, this is 2. If you write 1000 power 1, then this is 1000. This is so simple. A power 0. If anything power 0, its base is power to 0, then that is 1. 2 power 0 is also 1. 1000 power 0 is also 1. A power minus m. This is the condition. 1 upon a m. This goes here and this is positive. Okay, this goes here, the down denominator, and this is positive. A into b. Now base are different. Okay, in this case base are different. Then mostly if base are different, then there will not be two different power. There can be some in long question, but in formula it's not. So in this case, what we write, a power m into b power m. That's all. So in this case, let's do 2 into 3. Base are different, power 2. Then you directly can write 6 power 2 as well, because these are number. These are number, so you can write number, but these are not number, like, so numerical values can be written directly, and this can be 36, or otherwise the formula. So what we can see, 2 power 2 into 3 power 2, 4 into 9 to 36. The next formula is 1 base m by n. In this case, what we'll do, the denominator which is present here, right, this goes, write a power m as same, but this n goes as here. For example, a power 3 by 2 equal to 2. A power 3, 2, 3 by 2. Then we'll write 2, 2 by 3. In case of 2, we directly write 2 only root power 2 into 2 power 1. 2, this is square and this is 2. It goes like this way. This is a formula, and also from here also we can take this out, but let's keep it as simple as we can. It's 2, right? So this 2 and this 2 we can call directly, and then how much remained? 2 power 1. It's okay, 2 power 1 remained. This is the answer we can write. Let's go in the 9. The opposite, like this way, m power ab. If this is the condition, then what we'll write? Ab power 1 by m, or ab power n, then we'll write ab n by m. This is the formula. Okay, this is all about the formula of indices. In one case where we have written 0, in this case you need to remember a must not be equal to 0. Okay, whenever you want to write or want to solve the questions related to indices, this 9 formula will help you a lot. Thank you everyone.